Like an idiot, the mic wasn't plugged in on the way, so all those previous clips and all that talking I did, you guys heard absolutely nothing. But we are running to air gas to fill up one of our tanks of CO2 so we can finish some welding today. That is our main goal. Our main objective for today is to get the 350 working. I don't know what our timeline will be for that, but it might even lead to Eric doing it all nighter tonight. The handle day is tomorrow, and I really cannot afford to change that date again. Mission accomplished, boys. Don't explode the bottle. Okay, we're good.
Today we are working on the engine again. So Eric was kind enough to give me his machine valve cover, and boy does it look good. Before it used to say like inline 6 or whatever it used to say.
It actually said Nissan.
It said Nissan. But I'm hot boy now, and I want clean as fuck. Here it is. Woo. And then we have to polish it. It's a little dirty.
Just like you like your women fully shaved.
Emily, I didn't know that about you.
Hey, you learn something new every day.
Mickey tossed in all new ISR gaskets in here. Thanks guys, like good plug, nice mean plug. The old car, the gaskets weren't bad, but since we're here, you might as well change it. So
I mean, they're 25 years old, so they aren't good.
I mean, it look nice.
They look okay.
They look okay. They're still squishy. That's what you want in your rubber gaskets.
If you guys couldn't tell, Calvin and Mickey are pretty much taking over this engine build, while yesterday I spent all day trying to clean up my RX-7, and today I'm going to be trying to help Eric as best I can. But I'm trying to keep you guys updated with all the builds in the same video, because normally we just do like one car at a time and try to focus on just that. But as you can tell right now, we have so many different projects going on, to Calvin's BRZ, to Calvin's 240, to my RX-7, to my 350, and all of it's happening at the same time. So I'm doing my best to try and cover all of the cars evenly, so you guys are up to date, you guys feel like you're not missing out on any of that content, keep everyone as happy as possible. I hope I'm doing an okay job.
I was recording too much of myself, actually.
How's your vlog doing?
It's not going very well.
Why not?
Guys, I don't know what to do.
How's your vlog? That thing on?
Are you gonna come my vlog? With me or no?
You want to get food?
Yeah, I need content.
Oh, the life of a vlogger.
Is it throttle.blog.com?
No, Beckerman.
It is.
It's Dan.
She's a new writer.
You don't get to film the same things as me.
I can't steal your content?
No, you can't steal my content.
Okay.
I'm gonna work hard for it.
I would film this next part, but this is apparently for Sabrina's video, so I can't film this. So I'm gonna leave you guys here.
Wait,
Whenever you put sealant on a bung, there's excess that squeezes out on both sides, and I need to full fist it to get the
Spit on it, Cal.
I got it. I can't rotate my hand, so I just got that much.
Let me see.
Who stole all the tens?
You pull your hand out, you get a little something, you know?
Just a little something.
Who stole the tens?
That butt crack right there. Damn it, you missed it, Mickey.
Wasn't me.
hey, less of that. More of this. Let's go.
Hey, quit stealing content.
Hey,
Beat
get
it.
the camera, go away.
Battle of the, it's an interbat, it's a civil war team.
No, my camera.
Sabrina left the camera on over there, so she's chotching it up. We got more things in the mail, baby. Ooh, oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
What is it?
Somebody stuck this on TJ like 2 days ago. It's still on there.
Leave it. It's good.
Right, kick me on it. I'll put
All
it
right,
back
Sabrina,
on.
tell me what's inside the box.
Yes, an ISR performance mod.
Good plug, Sabrina.
Thank you.
What is that? What is that you're holding right there?
This?
Right hand. What is that? Don't drop that.
Goes on this.
Yeah.
It's a
Cobra neck.
Cobra dick.
No, Cobra neck.
Oh, a Cobra neck filter valve.
Thank you,
I
Sabrina.
don't fucking know. I don't know what's going on over here.
Can we like do a real unboxing now? Like an actual unboxing for our friends at ISR? Didn't even know her
A good
anymore.
Cobra neck
Thought I knew Sabrina.
goes on the back of the turbo like bam. Cobra neck.
Oh, so shiny.
Dustin, we just got good parts you don't make. I don't know what this is, Mickey. This looks like things
That
for...
goes with your fuel pump. That's a fuel pump line.
Oh, fuel
and
pump.
That is a Walbro 255 liter pump for in-tank.
For that ISR.
Gotta upgrade the fuel
Good on you. SR20 memes and some studs and stuff. That's that box. Let's get to the real big box.
I literally
Rip it open.
I'm trying to bust it open, Mickey. Oh, you can peek in there.
Oh, I got a peek. Oh, look at those nice stickers.
Oh, just a good sticker.
Put it on Beckerman's car.
Oh yeah, good idea. Good idea. How do I peel this?
Just some nice ISRs. Some nice ISR wheels.
That actually looks really cool.
Damn.
And a downpipe for our Cobra neck.
Oh yeah, that goes on the back of the Cobra neck, huh?
Doctor.
Beauty.
Bad meme,
On
Mickey.
installation, I almost made a big mistake. There is a tiny little lock washer here that goes onto the bottom for the pickup. We almost dropped it right into the gas tank. So I got to put that on real quick. Don't mess this up.
That's so nice Cobra neck.
Just a nice Cobra neck. Oh, hold on. Let's get a little Cobra neck on there, Mickey. Oh, Dr. Mickey? Put me in, Doctor.
All right, you hoser, start putting them on.
And I'm live, baby. So my Cobra neck came.
Hey, just FYI, I still exist. I'm right here. I'm filming. Don't forget about me.
That's really in vain.
No one cares. Your finger's bleeding, by the way.
Yeah, I work really hard.
So my bung plug needs to be replaced with this O2 sensor bung plug.
Why? Why are you replacing it?
Yeah, why would you do that?
Because the SR20 came with a skinny O2 sensor, and that's like rare, and you can't really. You know what? We're just putting a bung plug on. Skinny O2 sensor. Look it up. Don't know how to explain it. Mickey, take it over.
There's two different size O2 sensors, and the SR20 comes with skinny ones. You can replace them and spend more money and buy the big ones, or you can buy this trick little bung plug that has a small port so that you put this bung into the neck and it makes the size smaller so you can use the existing small O2 sensor and save yourself some money.
Damn, now
Good thinking.
only Calvin could talk like that.
I don't know things.
That's what I'm here for.
That's why we're a team.
Job security.
We're a team here.
All right,
Look at that. It's just a nice bung plug.
BRB, I have to go teach Sabrina how to headlet restore her matrix.
He's gonna steal our content, TJ.
See,
Content stealer. The downpipe is inside that box, and it goes like this and that way. We're not gonna put that until the engine is inside the car, because it's a son of a Benedict to get it through with the downpipe on. Also, just a good little bung. And
why did we install that aftermarket Cobra neck? Because it increases airflow.
I like the enthusiasm, Mickey. Just some good airflow. Are anti-seizing all of these bolts, because anti-seize, if you don't know what it does is it prevents the seizing of the bolt. So when you go to take it off later, it helps you remove it. What it doesn't do is it doesn't lubricate your shit. It won't back your shit out after vibration. All it does is it prevents it from getting stuck as fuck, all right? Don't go crazy in the comments now. We've been here before. OGs will know.
Before this intake manifold goes on, I am going to clean this for Calvin. Do fucking something, because not doing something entertaining sucks. Wiping down that FD motor and just taking all the shit off it is boring as fuck, and I can't stand it, and I want to be working on something a little more fun. So, cleaning it is.
So you want to pop it apart and separate it. It'll make this one way easier to clean. Pop it apart there, and then don't fuck with that at all. Don't get water in these.
Get water in all of those.
And don't remove them.
Remove them, get water in them.
No, because the O-rings around those are a notorious problem. They tear.
I'll be sure to make sure it gets fucked up. All right, now that everything is dismantled, and before we start power washing it and cleaning it, I'm just filling all these holes here with paper towels. And then once I fill them with paper towels, we're gonna put like vinyl over it and seal it and then brush it down. This is the color we're going for, like right here. This is this nice little shiny silver part. I'm gonna try to get that on the outside. I have a feeling that the simple green and power washer isn't gonna do it. So I think what we'll hopefully look for is some silver paint if we have it here and just color it silver. I think that'll give us our best look. After simple greening it, letting it soak, power washing it, did no change. Simple greened it again, let it soak. I've tried 3 different brushes. This is not making any difference at all. So we're gonna have to dry this off and then spray paint it another day when we have the right color. This is making absolutely no progress. Rip Reno. So before I end this vlog, I wanted to sit down and kind of speak from me to you, to kind of like give you an update of kind of like where we are with everything that's going on in the shop. The past 2 vlogs, I've like been in the vlogs, but like I kind of haven't been in the vlogs. I've kind of tossed the camera to Calvin and had him film his 240 while I've been working on my FD off on the side, or talking with Eric, kind of planning out the 350 and how the area and the direction in which we're trying to go with that car. And I kind of just want to like touch on all of that stuff because it's been, well, let me explain. So this is the first time we've had like 4 projects going on at the same time. 350, RX-7, 240, Calvin Spearsy, my 350, 5 projects going on at this time. And it's awesome working on all the cars at the same time, but what I've also noticed is that I can't be the one, and Calvin for that matter, can't be working on the car the whole entire time to get everything done. Like it doesn't make sense. So for the 350, I hired Eric to come like work out of the shop and do all the fab work that would have been done at another shop at my shop and have him do that. And then I've also asked Mickey to like help Calvin with his 240 and get that working and get that going, so we didn't have like a bunch of like we have right now, 5 cars just not finished at the shop. That was like what I was trying not to have happened. But I've like tried while doing this and tried to manage all of it, and like what seems to you guys maybe like a controlled environment thing, for me it's like so many million things going on at the same time. It feels like a mess and it doesn't feel like how I want it to feel. And it's extremely frustrating for me as a creator when I have an image of what I want to put out, but it's hard to like follow the guidelines of what I thought I originally wanted to do, and then not able to, it's a complete mess. What I'm saying is, if it's felt like disconnected or whatever the past couple vlogs, I'm so aware of that, and it's like upsetting for me, and I haven't felt myself, and I'm only to blame for myself because I wanted to try a new style, like a new, like, I'm just disconnected with the cars. Me and Calvin are disconnected with the cars, and all of it's being done by us, and that sucks. And it's just, I don't know. I do not like it. We're gonna be doing the 350 is update on the 350. I noticed that I was almost like kind of rushing Eric on the job, and Eric's work is like the best that I've seen. It's like 10 out of 10. It's like his shit is unreal. Shout out to Eric. And to make the down day tomorrow, we're ready to do it. The car is ready, but like it's not 100% ready. What I mean by that is like the car starts, we could like get it go. Like if we worked all night, we could have it ready for down day tomorrow, and that's rushing it. And I don't want the car rushed. I want that car to be flawless. I don't want that car to have any issues. So I canceled the dyno day, and I am gonna schedule it when the car is 100% done. What I mean by that is like functional wise, everything works. Our CD7's mounted, a steering, like all of this shit is done. I'm not talking about paint or body work or anything like that, but just like the car raw itself is ready, which sucks. And I'm sorry to deliver that news because I hate to like tell you guys we're gonna do this and not go that way. I'm kind of rambling here, but what I'm trying to say is I tried something new, I wasn't really too fond of it, and I'm gonna change it again. Like I'm just gonna go back to focusing on one car project at a time rather than like juggling like 5 things. You know, we're gonna have to finish those 5 things now, but like once all that dust kind of settles, I kind of want to go back to just like focusing more on, you know, 1 or 2 cars max rather than juggling a million things. And I know you guys are super understanding and totally see where I'm coming from and are on board with that. So I want to say thank you for that. And in the midst of all this, like, it's kind of been really upsetting and frustrating and a big learning experience for me. And in doing that, it's kind of like got me inspired to make a kind of like a motivation type video, because I know a lot of you guys miss that of the old style vlogs and have repeatedly, I've seen the comments asking me to like give a little more of that, give a little more of that. So I think one of these next upcoming days, you guys are gonna see a pretty unique video that I've done in the past a couple times, but with a new type of spin on it. That's only gonna go about 3 minutes, 4 minutes long, but I'm sure a bunch of you will appreciate it. And some of you might be like, what the fuck is this shit? Which is fine. Anyways, that's pretty much me ending the vlog here on kind of a weird note. I love you guys. I know you will understand where I'm coming from. Surprise, you guys got a bonus video today. So Sabrina's vlog went out today. So you guys got 2 videos in one day. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought about that. Did you like it? Did you not? Was it kind of cool? I've been playing with that idea that maybe like we kind of do double uploads for some special projects. Trying to think outside the box here. So let me know how you guys thought. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling low.